Hi everybody. I will keep this review brief as I think most people prefer that. My name is Barbara. I'm 85 years of age. I'll begin with before I discovered the PEMF treatments and end of course with me as I am today. I have broken many bones in my lifetime with increasing frequency as I became older. Coming into my 50s and 60s, any awkward movement often meant cracked ribs due to worsening osteoporosis. Later, coming into my 80s, due to chronic chest infection, even violent coughing bouts meant cracked ribs followed by 6 weeks of pain. I began searching for a non-invasive method of help. Any of the available treatments did not suit my body. This is when I found Gary and the PEMF treatments available. After him explaining everything clearly and honestly, I was really excited and relieved that I had found something that could work. So I bought a full-length mattress, which is here, as you can see beside me, beside my bed on top of a massage mattress. And in September 2024, I bought it in September 2024 and lie on it twice a day, 15 to 20 minutes each time. Time out anyway to rest and enjoy. In December 2024, after using it only 3 months, I had a very heavy fall and was taken to emergency. After x-ray, I was found to have a very small fissure in my ribs, but no broken bones. Incredible, I couldn't believe it. At the present moment, after using it a further 7 months, although I still have violent coughing bouts, I don't have a single cracked rib in all this time. Incredible again. After 9 months, no fractures and no pain since I've been using this PEMF mattress. What more can I say? I'm so thankful to have found this treatment and had a pain-free year, and now I live a full and healthy life.
Experience the benefits of our PEMF device. Visit www.pemf.inc.